Hello everyone. Good evening. So I am a pod farmer. Now it's been a while that I dropped a video on this channel. So today happens to be my seventh day, the seventh day after collecting my chicks. So this is actually the seventh night. As you can see, they are all doing well. The charcoal is check out the charcoal. This is a major part of brooding. You can't talk about brooding without heat. So our heat source here is what we use as our heat source here is charcoal. So we are having 2,500 broiler chicks here. So that is why I'm just trying to use four. I'm using five. But if you check around, you see this is the one I'm pointing to. There's another one over there. Can you see? Yes, the other one there, and this is the last one. So we are trying to make sure that we use the heat to regulate the temperature of the Buddha. So by so doing, they won't really feel any cold or thereabout. So if you notice, they are all active and moving about doing their daily let me say just doing what they need to do. So that is just that I actually weigh them today. I got their average weight after 7 today is the 7th day. So uh checking them out, I hope you can see this. Oh, careful. So hope you can see this. The average weight presently now is 127 grams. Yes, 127 grams. That is their average weight. If you can get to see them, you see from my back there, you get to see. So the average weight currently is 1.27. 1.27. They are doing well. They are doing well. So we on this particular production, we got the feed from Animal Care. Yes, I think it's neutral. Neutral is a new feed rather from Animal Care. So that is where we get the feed, and they are really converting. The broilers are really doing well. So this is another extension to it. It's like an L shape, L shape. So you see, talking about brooding, you have to have your wood shavings, which serve as a bedding. The litters that we're using for them. Hope you can see this will help them not to have direct access to the brooder. So that is that about the beddings. You use this. So if you notice, this is quite different. It is quite different from sawdust. You can see it's quite different from sawdust. You don't use sawdust for brooding. If you check my previous video, you see we use uh what's it called? We use wood shavings instead of sawdust. So you don't use sawdust. The main reason why you don't use sawdust is that it brings about dust. So the dust will affect the bird. So we don't use that. So you can see other just see them. They are very active and they are doing well. That is because we are regulating the temperature and everything is going as planned. That is the thermometer over there. I hope you can see it. Yes, that's the thermometer over there that we are using in regulating the temperature of the brooder. So you can check my brooder. So I even get to close everything up apart from some few cleavages that are like some openings that I didn't get to close. So that is that about that. I'm just trying to take you around. This is my 7th day brooding. Or today is April. Sorry, April what? Okay, today is April 6th. Today is April 6th. So live here, I will give you more updates about my production. Take care. Bye.